Hello, I'm Batu, and today we're going to be focusing on the Acumatica P3M's machine health module. All right, now let's head to our dashboards, and we're going to be starting with our machine health. Under machine health, we have the machine health anomaly detection. So we're going to be clicking on that. Before I start talking about our anomaly detection, let me summarize how our machine health works step by step. The first step will be AI will send warnings when machine degrades in health. Those warnings are these small orange bubbles that you see under our anomaly detection, these small oranges right here. Let's zoom a little bit. Those ones here. And the second step, then we make a work order. Technically, AI will trigger automatic work order for that specific problem. And when the work order is completed, the technician will check the alarms and it falls. And our third and final step is at the end, machine will run again and the future breakdowns are avoided. So this is the step that you follow under the machine health. All right, now let's back to our machine health dashboard. Under here, we can see the anomaly detection for the specific motor. Under that, as you can see, some of them are green. There are some warnings orange, and there are even some reds once in a while too. In this example, we don't. So yeah, this orange are the warnings that AI will send it. Above that, we have the health graph of this electric motor. As you can see, this white line is in good sign, so it's in a good shape at the moment. Below that, we can see the RMS all axis for the electric motor. We can also see the temperature for the electric motor as well. This sums up the machine health module for the Acumatica P3M. Thank you.